Yeah, push the button.
We're here at the Forum shops here in Las Vegas. And we got these Mitsubishi elevators here to ride. With those ERM buttons. Alrighty. Nice and tall. What floor are you guys heading to?
2 or 3?
2?
2. Thanks, sir.
Here's 2. I like these buttons actually.
They are neat. Can you see everything you want to see?
Here we go. Let's go all the way back down to 1.
These do have a nice motor.
Yeah, they do.
But our close button works. We
Yes.
like that.
Yeah, we do. Easy.
The one and only.
The one and only.
I like these balls. These balls are so elegant.
It's like expensive marble. It's like basically the smallest to like people that are very, very rich.
Yeah, it's like the most middle class thing I've seen here is an H&M.
Yep. That's the only thing I've seen.
Everything else, I don't even know. I don't even recognize the names of some of the stores here.
Yeah. Hey, look, it's the Alex's.
I
Either
don't even
way.
recognize the names of some of these stores here.
Yes.
Look at everyone trying to cram in there. they're on. I bet they're in that elevator.
There goes the elevator.
Let's see who comes out of this one.
Hey, I guess that is gonna be it for me.